Excuse me, how do I get to the train station? No inglese, solo italiano. Scusi, per la stazione dei treni? Allora, sempre dritto e alla rotonda a destra. If you also want to speak Italian like a local, I have big news. Registrations for my new online course, Italian Mastery for Beginners, are now officially open. Whether you're starting from zero or you know a little bit of Italian, this course is made just for you. We'll cover essential grammar, useful phrases, vocabulary and pronunciation with a unique context-based approach. Instead of just focusing on boring grammar rules, each lesson immerses you in real-life situations, making learning more natural and effective. You get lifetime access, so you can study anytime, anywhere, on any device. But be aware, registrations are only open for a few days, and I'm also offering a special launch price that you won't see again. I want everyone to have the chance to speak Italian like a local. Click the link in my bio now to get all the details to sign up. Ci vediamo nel corso. See you in the course. Ciao!